Here we come to the elevators at Rosenau Hall at University of North Carolina in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. This is sadly going to be the final ride of these elevators here because in the next several months, these elevators are going to be modernized. See that sign right there? Well, this means one thing. The elevator is going to be getting modernized. This elevator car has been down for a long while, and I have a good feeling they're going to start on this one first before doing this the next. So anyways, let's take one last final ride on these amazing vintage old Otis elevators. With a PT, even though the PTL slapped on the COP and call station, everything else is still original. Let's ride, here we go. Beautiful looking cab. Otis nameplate. Go down the G. This thing runs like a champ. Only 3 and 4 works. It's got a beautiful sound of the generator. Alright, now I'm gonna wait till the generator winds down and we're gonna start this thing up. But anyways, this thing is from 1961. The good news is the service elevator isn't going anywhere. So here's your view of the fixtures. The service elevator is a completely original Otis black button. Smaller than these two. It's still original. Generator is wind down. Speaking of G, let's generate this thing up. Here we go. Beautiful. This building is mostly empty, so I'm glad to get an amazing video of these pieces of beauties. It doesn't classic level, I don't think. I love the sound of the relays. These fixtures are obviously not original. They're definitely replaced at a certain point. I love how the door close button works. want to see if you can hear the relays. You can hear the relays. And it decides to shut. You hear the relays when you put your hand through the sensor. Wow. All right. Beautiful. All right, before we leave, I want to stop on the intermediate floor. I want to see the intermediate call stations. Does it have classic leveling? Nope, it does not. See, this right here is the intermediate station right here. See? It's a lot different from what they have on the first floor, and it decides to shut fast. Look at this. And notice the intermediate station on the lobby. It's a lot different from the upper floors. See, look how differently these buttons are. This call station is designed with the. I'm not sure. It looks like they were gonna put a fire service key switch on there, but then they changed their mind and just slapped it with the no smoking sign over the hole, where the to cover the hole where the key switch was supposedly going to be placed into. But anyways, that was your final ride on the vintage 1961 Otis elevators at Rosenau Hall. Even though it did get a slap-on mod, but everything else is still original. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to miss these elevator cars. These are definitely pieces of beauties. Thank you all so much for watching, and that is going to be it.